Welcome back to Cousin John Car Stuff. So here's a Hyundai recall letter that was received in the mail recently, just in the past day or so. And there you go from the top. And it's about the seat belt on certain cars that have a defect. Just let you read through that. If any of you have a car that's by chance in this description, then go to nhtsa.org and put in your VIN and see, is this in fact a recall involving a vehicle you have. I'm just leaving this up here for you to read, get all the details. Again, it's there you go. And then the body of the letter, and there you are. So just wanted to bring this to your attention in case any of you have any of these vehicles. Again, nhtsa.org, and plug in your VIN, see if your vehicle is affected by this recall, and there's the instructions what to do just in case you are. So that's it for now. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time through. Have a good one.